Hey guys, it's Alex, and today we are back with another vape review, and today we are doing the Smok Smok Mico kit, however you want to pronounce it. Mine is in the rainbow color. This is how it comes. This is what the box looks like. This is how it comes packaged. You just slide it up. The vape comes in there, and it comes with 2 pods, if my camera will focus. It comes with 2 pods. This is the regular coil, and I have the mesh coil in my vape right now. So just a tip, when you go to vape this, after you fill the pod, give it about like 3 to 4 minutes to fully saturate the coil. Otherwise you're gonna burn the coil out. So it comes with this lanyard in it and a USB charging port. But I'm very disappointed with how small this charging cord is. They could have made it a little bit bigger. This is like very small, so I probably won't end up using this because I have longer cords that will work way better, and I don't have to, like this way I'd have to hook it up to my laptop, and that's just not convenient for me on a daily basis to charge my vape. So I'll be using another charger, but yeah, that's a con for me. This charger is just way too small. Okay, so let's now take a look at the actual mod or pod vaping system. Over here you have a switch that you can't really see. You can kind of see it from the side right here. You just push that up and it turns on with an LED light. This is also the battery life indicator, so when it's green you are pretty safe. I think it's like it's fully charged to like maybe 75%. And when it's red, you need to recharge your pod system. So let's vape this, and I'll give you my thoughts, pros, cons, and yeah. Okay, so I really love this. It's really nice. I really don't have that many cons, honestly. Like, I love how the pod is. You just take it out, and it's actually in there pretty well. Like, I have to pull pretty decently to get this out. So it's in there nice and good. The pod does fill from the side, and I was able to get a dropper, a glass dropper to fill this pod. So it has a pretty nice fill slot that will fit a dropper. As long as the dropper is not too big, it will fit it in here. So yeah, I really do love this. The draw is nice. It's not too airy. It's not too restricted. Gotta turn it on. It's a decent amount of vapor for a pod system. I really do love this, and I see myself using this on a daily basis. To be honest, I really did get this just for travel necessities because it's not always rational to take my big mod with me everywhere. It just doesn't fit in my purse well. It's just hard to pack. So I think this is really good to just throw in your purse and take it with you when you're going out somewhere or traveling. I really like it. I really do. It's a nice pod system. So yeah, I got mine at online for like, I think it was like $27. It's not that bad. So yeah, I'll put pricing and where I got mine down below in the description. But yeah, I really like this. I don't really have any cons. It's a really good vape. It really is. I really like it. Pod systems aren't for everyone. And I didn't really think I was going to like it as much as I did because I'm used to my RDA. But it's a good vape. It's just really good. I definitely recommend it. I saw that a lot of people on YouTube were having problems with this. But I saw a video, I'll credit the person down below where I got this from if I can find his name again. But you really just, if it stops firing, just clean it out. Pods leak and the juice can affect the sensors. So clean your pod style vapes, clean them. It's not like an RDA or a tank where they have a spring-loaded connection. These have sensors that are just draw activated, so you need to clean them out. Just take care of your shit, and it'll keep working for you. So yeah, that's it. That's my review. I really do love this pod system. It's really good, and it's really smooth. I just love it. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. This is my first time actually doing a review, so I hope that it was good and not confusing, but hopefully I'll get better with them when I do more reviews on makeup and vapes. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I know this is short, but I really don't have that much to say about it. So, yeah, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Also, my sister just started a YouTube channel, so go subscribe to her. Her channel name is The Trash Beck. I'll link it down below so it's easy for you to find. Go subscribe. She does gaming. She does Pokemon on her YouTube channel, and she also does other gaming on her Twitch, which I'll also link down below. So go follow her. Go subscribe. Show her some love. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.